Commercial construction, $5 million to $20 million. Projex Building Group and CK Architecture, Australia. Gugan Gulwan. Gugan Gulwan is all about community, culture and connection. With its curved design and detailed finishes, it's built to be both beautiful and functional. Aiming for a 5-star Green Star certification, it is thoughtfully built and features a commercial kitchen, music and recording studios, offices, meeting rooms and community spaces to hold courses and workshops. Indigenous artwork is woven throughout the building, co-designed with the Gugan Gulwan community. Projex Building Group and CK Architecture have delivered more than just a building. It is a place of identity, safety and inclusion for First Nations peoples. Congratulations, Projex Building Group and CK Architecture Australia.